Hey yo, what's up fam squad? It's your boy Smacky Boy right here, coming at you guys with yet another easy YouTube tutorial. Now today, I found out a really cool trick and hack, and that is how to earn free cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Nowadays everyone, is getting in that big crypto hype, riding everything to the moon, and with this trick I learned, you can actually get cryptocurrency without having to spend any money. Now mind you, this only works on the Coinbase desktop website. All right, I checked all over the mobile app, and this strategy does not work there. So you have to do this. You have to just quickly just like log into the Coinbase website, sign in with your account and everything, which I already have over here. And now to earn the free crypto, what you got to do is on the side column right here, got to go down to rewards, earn rewards, and yeah. Basically, you have the chance to earn all these free cryptos right here. Now, what they do is it's pretty much it's a form of advertisement in a way. It's like pretty much you click here, and you're gonna watch like a video on the cryptocurrency. Let that load up, and then you gotta answer a question. All right, and if you get the question right, I believe you earn the crypto. And these companies, they offer that to basically just promote their cryptocurrency and get more users using it. So yeah, and then so for instance, this is a crypto called Compound. If I just get this question right, I get $3 worth of Compound, which is lit because even if I don't like the crypto, I could just sell it and use it for something else. And now another cool thing is that basically like all these answers right here, since a lot of people already answered the questions, you can easily just search it up online. So it's like, what's the key benefit of using Compound? So you search that up, and then yeah, it says, look, I think someone on Reddit already posted it here. Answer earning interest on your crypto. So yeah, all these answers are online. I'm probably gonna watch the video just to like double check if it's the right answer, because I don't know what happens if you get a wrong answer, and I'm not gonna test it out. Maybe they'll give you another chance and you could still earn the $3, or maybe it's like, hey, sorry sucker, you got it wrong. So I don't know, but yeah. And then you just gotta do that, and then after you answer the question, you should be getting an email from Coinbase saying that, hey, you earned this amount of dollars in that crypto and all that, just to confirm that you earned the crypto. And yeah, this is pretty great because you got you could earn, like, if you count it up right here, you can earn, like, I earned what, like 3, 9, 18, 28, 3. So that's like, in the end, that's like $34 worth of free cryptocurrency. That's, hey, $34 for free cryptocurrency just to watch these 1-minute tutorials. You could earn that in probably like easily in like 20 or 30 minutes. Which is pretty good for the amount of time you spend. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If y'all enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Smacky Boy right here, smacking out.